Hi friends, you're watching movie reviews with Raghu Ram. Garuda Gamana Vrishabha Vahana. What a title! What an awesome title for Raj Shetty and Rishabh Shetty's upcoming Kannada movie. Ultimate. The trailer of this movie has come, and the trailer is not only good, not only promising, not only awesome, not only majestic, not only magnanimous, but it is natural. It is not only natural, it is artistic. We know that Shiva, Lord Shiva and Lord Vishnu are two superpowers. They are two sides of the same coin. We know that Vishnu and Shiva are complementary characters, not only characters but also complementing and supplementing forces. So here the interesting part of the title is Garuda Gamana. Garuda Gamana is the god or the deity who travels, who flies on Garuda, the celestial eagle. So, who flies on Garuda? Who makes that Gamana on Garuda? It is Vishnu. So, the other name of Vishnu is Hari, and Hari's character is played in the movie by Rishabh Shetty. We'll come to the second part of the title, Vrishabha Vahana. Vrishabha, a bull or an ox. It is the vehicle of which deity? Which god? Lord Shiva. And the character of Shiva has been played by Raj Shetty. And this entire movie has been created by the makers of Ondu Motteya Kate, which was also Raj Shetty's movie. So a very good title, two important characters, Hari and Shiva, played by Rishabh Shetty and Raj Shetty, come onto the screen to set the screens on fire. They are not only good actors, not only brilliant actors, they are natural actors. And then we have a third lead in the movie. According to the director Raj Shetty, the third lead in the movie is, or the most important lead in the movie, apart from these two characters, is Mangaluru, the city of Mangaluru. Raj Shetty himself tells in an interview that Mangaluru becomes an important premise, important character, not only a place but a character in the movie, and the characters in the story is surrounded by Mangaluru. So every aspect of Mangaluru has been covered here. The culture, the tradition, the city, everything about the language, the attitude. Okay, so the dances, the culture, the folklore, everything about the sea, the sand, the people, everything, as I said, about Mangaluru has been touched upon in this particular movie. Not only watching these two great actors on the screen tipped against or tipped with each other, but it will be fascinating to explore Mangaluru on the screen. So Mangaluru is not just a city shown in the movie, it will be an important character which plays. So it runs along with the story Mangaluru. So again, according to the director Raj Shetty, this is a gangster movie. So it's probably then it will be a gang war movie between the two different gangs. So then there is Mangaluru on the backdrop. The gang war or the gangster story runs in the backdrop of Mangaluru. So there will be underground crimes. So the police chases will obviously be there, as some parts of the trailer depicts. There is cricket and very interestingly the tiger dance and the folklore touch of Mangaluru and the rural Mangaluru in this movie. And then there is friendship between Raj Shetty and Rishabh Shetty, the friendship between Shiva and Hari. Again, according to Raj Shetty, Hari and Shiva, Vishnu and Shiva, if they reincarnate or if they play vital roles on the earth in a particular city, how the story will be. This will be the narrative. I think it is a very interesting premise and a great thought process by Raj Shetty to innovatively create this particular story of not only the friendship but also the chemistry between the Hari and Shiva, or Hari and Hara, in the backdrop of Mangaluru with these two important characters. So what an interesting thought, what a brilliant thought by Raj Shetty. So as I said already, the trailer is really promising, really awesome, really eye-catchy and intriguing in the terms that after seeing the trailer, you would definitely feel desperate to watch the movie on the big screens. Very appealing trailer and very different. I feel it is a different type of trailer that such trailers can only be attempted by either Rakshit Shetty or Rishabh Shetty or Raj Shetty. Very much I think it looks like a masterpiece or a beautiful canvas on which a beautiful story is narrated in a synoptic way. This movie looks by the trailer itself is impressive, and I'll be in keen wait to watch the movie. So as I already said, this is a gangster movie, and who is a gangster and who is not, we don't know. It looks like Shiva or Raj Shetty plays the role of a gangster. How he becomes a gangster, why are police behind him, we don't know. Rishabh Shetty, I think, plays the role of a cop, because in the final part of the trailer we can see both sitting together in a police jeep, and on it is displayed the police in Kannada, and Rishabh Shetty is driving the police jeep and Raj Shetty is sitting alongside him. So probably Rishabh Shetty will be playing the role of the cop, and Raj Shetty will be playing the role of a don or a gangster. We don't know. but the trailer goes in different phases, the trailer goes in different layers, layer by layer it is revealed. That seems to be the story of the movie, wherein the Hari character helps and takes Shiva under his wings as young kids, so they become friends when they are young. Initially, Hari supports and takes care of Shiva, and in the later part we can see they grow up to become adults. We can see Rishabh Shetty in a different avatar without the beard and mustache. Very raw look these two characters have. Raj Shetty has the rawest look, what we can call it as an innovative term, rawest. Yes, he's looking really raw at the best of the raw presentation. Raj Shetty, he's the director of the movie and he knows what exactly he needs to play and how his character needs to come on the screen. He also knows how Rishabh Shetty has to come on the screen and how other characters should play in and around. If I'm not wrong, we are shown with certain sequences where Raj Shetty is trying to help the character of Rishabh Shetty as they grow up, probably because Raj Shetty's character is a fierce character and very bold character. And Rishabh Shetty's character, initially we are shown as a very subtle, very settled type of character. So probably in the initial days as children, Hari takes care of Shiva, and as they grow up, Shiva becomes a protector of Hari. If I'm not wrong, this should be the concept. And what is this chemistry between Hari and Shiva forms the premise and the interesting plot of the movie. As the movie proceeds ahead layer by layer, we can see different layers of Hari and also different layers of Shiva. And in one frame, we can see Hari leading Shiva, and in other frames, we can see Shiva leading Hari. Does it mean to tell that Hari guards Shiva sometimes and Shiva comes to the help of Hari sometimes? And if so, they are different characters. One is a cop, one is a gangster, what they're doing together, how their friendship takes a mold. Is there any transformation of character? Are there any different shades? How these characters come up in the narrative, how these layers unfold. It will be very interesting to watch. Overall, we can see Raj Shetty's character has more of negative shades or aggressive shades. And on the other side, we can see Rishabh Shetty's role to be very subtle and settled. As I already said, probably are they playing balancing characters, like one balancing the other? When one person's mood goes wrong, the other puts the person into the balance, and vice versa. Having said that, we also can see a non-aggressive avatar of Shiva and a little bit aggressive avatar of Hari also. So will there be a circumstantial change in their avatars, circumstantial changes in their behaviors and attitude? What colors are given to these characters and how the chemistry works out? Two different colors, two different attitudes, two different personalities, and what is the chemistry between them forms the story of Garuda Gamana, Vrishabha Vahana. Throughout the trailer, we can see an English song played in the backdrop, Demon in Me. It comes as a BGM, but it is really awesome to hear that it lifts up the theme of the trailer of the movie. Midun Mukundan is the music composer of the movie, and the BGM also has been scored by him, and it really looks awesome and in sync with the trailer. We can see the aggressive avatar of Rishabh Shetty also. The role of Hari also has been shown with some aggressive attitude. So probably it is situational. Probably Raj Shetty wants to show that an aggressive person can at sometimes situationally becomes subtle and settled, and a subtle and settled person can also become aggressive in certain circumstances. Is this the transformation? Is this the transition we see between these two important characters in the third character, inside the third character of Mangaluru in this particular movie? And how does the story prove the worth of the title is what we need to wait and watch for the movie. So that is my reaction and review of Garuda Gamana, Vrishabha Vahana. Thanks for watching my video. If you loved my video, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch up with you all in my next video with yet another movie review. Until then, do take care. Goodbye. Namaste.